Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Projects. This is the second part of the Adobe XD and Android Studio video. In this video, I will show you how to use Adobe XD design in Android Studio. In previous one video, we create a simple design for our Android app in Adobe XD. So if you does not watch the previous video or previous part of this series, so first watch it. I give a link of video in I button. Then watch this video. Now I want to show where we end the part 1. You can see this is our exported folder and in this the design is present. Now we see how to use this design in Android Studio. So now let's start. Now open your project in Android Studio. For showing you, I just simply created a new project. So I select empty activity from here. Click on next. I give name it Adobe Design. Now click on finish. And our project get load successful. Now I click on main XML file to open it. First I delete this hello world. So click on code, I select it and click on delete button and now it get deleted successfully. So now the main part start from here to how to use Adobe XD design in Android Studio. We have to copy that design in the resource folder. Now before copy, first open your design folder. First we have to rename the design for our ease to access. So I open the folder. Before renaming, I want to tell one important thing. We have to rename all 6 files with the same name and not give the number in the name because it is not acceptable by resource folder in Android Studio. Now let's start renaming. I open the first file, right click on design with the help of your mouse and click on rename. I give the name design. You can give any name according to your choice. Now go back and open the second file. Rename it with same name. Now do the same thing for third one. Now do the same thing for fourth one. Now for the fifth one. And now for the last one. After renaming, these files are ready to copy. So select all file and copy it by Ctrl+C. Now we have to paste these files in resource folder. So open your project in Android Studio and on the top of Android Studio you can see the path. You can see the path where all your Android project gets stored. So first follow this path. Mine is in C, user, then prints, then Android Studio project. So I open my file explorer, just click on C. Now click on user and now click on prints and now this time click on Android Studio project. From here just select your project and then follow me. My project name is Adobe Design, so I just open it. Now go in app folder, now go in SRC, now go in main and now go in RES folder and paste the design file here with the help of Ctrl+V and you can see our file pasted successfully and it is ready to use. So open your Android Studio again and here you can see all our design come here successfully. Now open the XML file where you want to use that design. After opening, just type Android background and your file name with drawable keyword or it may be automatically suggested by ID. So just press enter on your design name and you can see our design implemented successfully and ready to use. You can use multiple design in multiple activity using the same way. Now I open my main activity Java file and type a line for hiding the action bar. So I just type get support action bar dot hide to make it more attractive. Now it's time to check our app whether the design is working or not. I use debugging mode for checking my app. If you have low system configuration, then I recommend you always use debugging mode. I give a link of video in I button if you want to know how to use debugging mode. Now press on run button and you can see Gradle start building. Now it get built successful and install the application in my phone. And you can see our app installed successfully and the design which we created in Adobe XD applies successfully in our Android app. So thanks guys for watching this video. If you have any query, comment down below. I hope you like this. Please like the video and subscribe my channel for latest update. And one more thing, if you want more design in Adobe XD for Android Studio or for your application, just let me know in comment section. If I get response from you, then I definitely upload a video on Adobe XD. Now thank you.